It's Valentine's Day pretty soon, so let's prepare some pasta alla chitarra for those we love. I'm going to follow the same recipe that I used to make lasagna. The dough ball is perfect, so cut it in half. I'm going to work it some more, and as I work it more, I'm going to use some general purpose flour. And then I'm going to finish working it with the fold. La fatica puzza, ma ci vuole un po' di fatica per stilare sta pasta. It's not easy rolling it out with the pin. You have to add a little bit of flour so it doesn't stick. But it's going to look like this, and you keep rolling it out. In Italiano questo si chiama bastone, and when the dough is about the length of il bastone, it's thin enough. And it's nice. Guarda, come bella sta pasta. When the pasta is at the thickness or the thinness that we want, we roll it onto the bastone. And we take a knife like this and just run it along il bastone. Ah, nice. It'll fall off, and then you have the strips. They're not all going to be the same, and they're going to be probably too long, so you just cut them. So I can cut this in half, and that'll fit perfectly onto the chitarra. The strings of the chitarra are about maybe half an inch away from the end boards. So the more rectangular we can cut our pieces of dough, the easier it is for la chitarra to weep. Then with the pole, press down and gently run it along the ends so they press the guitar strings down and gently cut the dough. And it takes a little bit of time, like anything in life. Anything that's good takes time. And then the pieces separate. And like any guitar, a chitarra to make pasta always has one or two strings that are off tune. So this one here is off tune. For some reason it's not cutting there. You can get a knife and you can run it with a knife, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And that's what they'll look like. So I just put them in my bowl, sprinkle a little bit of flour on them, and just mix them up. And we'll have these for dinner tonight. I'm going to make a simple tomato sauce. So I'm going to make one like I explained in my video for bottling tomatoes. Grazie per la compagnia. Ciao ciao. My guitar gently weeps, but my glass is happy.